Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see today, I'm filling up with some fuel. We're in the fuel prices at the moment and it's cheapest here out in Waterford, Ballybeg, out in Tesco. So it's $1.79 and I think everywhere else at the moment, at this time of shooting the video anyway, it's $1.99 everywhere else, nearly over €2 a litre as well. So pretty desperate times, so we can fill it up here for a decent price anyway and get about our journeys. So today I'm going looking for wind turbines for the Road Adventures 2022. So come along with me and enjoy the video and enjoy the adventure. So thankful, happy days now out the gap and let's go. So I'm in the process of looking at my dream bike, T100 Bonneville, 110th anniversary edition 2012, and I'm looking at getting finance for the bike, so hoping that I get that sorted, and I'll be selling the this phaser, the Silver Rebel. So hopefully I'll have a new bike soon. If not, I have one or two things I'll get done with this bike if I need it to keep it a bit longer. I just love the Bonneville and there's not many around, so it'd be great to change it and get a newer bike. V-Lock, that's a cool car. So yeah, V-Lock. When I looked up the list of wind turbines in Ireland, that had one. So let's see, can we find it? Let's get out and about, be there. Glorious day, absolutely glorious day. The old Garda's on here. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yee-haw. I've never seen the Gatto van there. The speed van there. This is the turn I missed the last time. Nice. Wow, that was close. Jesus, he took up the whole road there. You can feel the wind off that Jeep. Yes. Oh, grass in the middle of the road. One of my favourite things to see. Oh yes, this is class. Ha! I love adventures. Love them. I've had it been thinking lately about not doing the videos anymore, but when I come out like this, I just go, oh my god, this is what I do. I love it, love the adventure. So with the bad weather as well, you kind of get a bit down that you're not out on the bike and stuff, you know, when it's really bad, like, and you kind of, you don't get that exhilaration, that boost you get out as you get out on the bike. It's a massive part of my life now, the bike. I absolutely love it. Whoa! Essential inputs when the roads are... Why did chicken cross the road? Yes! Probably waiting all my life to say that joke. Yes. That's the name of my video now. Oh my god. This is just... yes. Thank you, road adventures. This is class. That's just outside the city. It's like 20 minutes outside the city. Oh, the glory. So is it these wind turbines. A rainbow and all. Your phone is for a rainbow, lads. No inputs here, so the white do it. I'm going to head up the way, I'm going to keep going up this way, and then I'm going to come back down and get a picture. Oh my god, can I get up there? Let's go again, get myself in this shit. Oh, this is even better. Yes. Haha, this is class. Let's get the pic, boys. Stay. That's those 2 or 3 seconds. Legendary, this is class. Rainbow and all. Not a fan of that turn, let me tell ya. Woo. Crosswind, baby.